guys, now I'm going to put the analog wire for the inputs and outputs to the back of the Honda, and then 2 of these wires, which is the red and the black. There's 2 blacks, it can go to either one, so that way there I can run in closed loop and not open loop. I got this Johnny. I don't know if you guys ever seen somebody use this before, but this is some real good sheathing for your wires. This ain't no cheap shit. I buy it by 200 feet. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, now what I normally do is measure the piece, squeeze the end. Try to let you guys see this. If you squeeze the end, it opens up. So if you take this wire, right, twist this down, take the wire, you slip it on, and you squeeze and push. Get it still? Take this bitch, cut it in half, so right to the end. Clean little quick way of doing it better than tape, because that shit is horrible. Now, I have to run 2 wires from the gauge harness on the wideband to this connector. You have analogs and you have can side. We'll run to the analog. So the brown wire is your negative output off the gauge, the wideband gauge, and the white wire, solid white wire, is your positive output. So you got positive output, negative output. That's going to go into the input, so that pigtail I just made on my Honda. And these ones, you don't worry about those ones. Let's get the wire. Know the drill. Feed this shit up on there. Plenty of room. because it works. And this wire right here is the laptop wire. This pulls right out. Simple and clean. Instead of zip tying it up like I got in my Integra. And this fucking racer shit is out. Over that shit. So over there, they ain't permanent. If I need to take the ECU out, I don't want it to be soldered, hardwired to the ECU. At least that way there I can detach them. Boom. Female on the positive. The positive output from the gauge to go to the input on the Honda. And take these two, the black and the red. It's your positive input and your negative input. Without using a negative input, the wideband is going to read off from the gauge. It won't read the same. The computer would be reading a different reading than what you're seeing on your AFR gauge. So you got to use the black wire. Put the male on the red. Right there. Boom. Female on the black. Curve it down. Good. And this can just red to red, which is positive to positive, negative to negative.